Unraveling the wonders of general artificial intelligence as known as AGI. To understand general AI as known as AGI, you need to know the concept of narrow AI and how it is different than general AI. Narrow AI focuses on specific tasks, while general AI aims to possess human-level intelligence across various domains. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI, this side Asif Imanid. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore, general artificial intelligence. AI has been making incredible strides in various fields, and today, we'll dive deep into the concept of general AI. Join us as we unravel the wonders of this fascinating technology. 1. To kick things off, let's start with the basics. What exactly is general artificial intelligence? Narrow AI, also known as weak AI or specialized AI, is a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to perform a single task or a narrow set of tasks. For example, a narrow AI might be able to play chess, translate languages, or diagnose diseases. Narrow AI is often used in commercial applications, such as self-driving cars, spam filters, and fraud detection systems. General AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence, is a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This means that general AI would be able to learn, reason, and solve problems in a way that is similar to how humans do. General AI is still a long way off, but it is a goal that many scientists and engineers are working towards. 2. Now that we understand the definition, let's delve into the capabilities of general AI. For example, AGI could be used to solve complex problems that are currently beyond our capabilities. AGI could be used to develop new medical treatments, design new products, or create new forms of art. Create new products and services that improve our lives. For example, AGI could be used to develop self-driving cars, personal assistants, or educational tools. Understand and respond to our needs in a more human-like way. For example, AGI could be used to provide customer service, offer emotional support, or help us make decisions. 3. Challenges and concerns. With great power comes great responsibility. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel as we see you are not yet subscribed. We have really interesting videos coming in future, which will help you grow, gain knowledge and eventually earn. So hit that bell icon and subscribe. Understanding how the human brain works. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, and we still don't fully understand how it works. In order to create AGI, we need to have a better understanding of how the brain learns, reasons, and makes decisions. Developing new algorithms that can allow AGI to learn and reason like humans. The current algorithms used in narrow AI are not capable of learning and reasoning like humans. In order to create AGI, we need to develop new algorithms that are more powerful and sophisticated. Providing AGI with enough computing power. AGI requires a lot of computing power to learn and reason. In order to create AGI, we need to develop new hardware that can provide AGI with the necessary computing power. However, there are also some potential risks associated with AGI. For example, AGI could be used for malicious purposes. AGI could be used to create autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. Disrupt the economy and cause widespread unemployment. For example, AGI could automate many jobs that are currently done by humans. Lead to the development of a new superintelligence that could pose a threat to humanity. This is a hypothetical scenario that is often referred to as the AI control problem. The potential benefits and risks of AGI are still being debated. However, it is clear that AGI has the potential to be a powerful technology that could have a profound impact on the world. It is important to start thinking about the potential benefits and risks of AGI now, so that we can be prepared for its arrival. 4. Real-world applications. General AI is more than just a theoretical concept. Example 1, AlphaGo. One prominent example is AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind. AlphaGo utilizes deep neural networks and reinforcement learning to master the ancient Chinese game of Go. It demonstrated an ability to learn from large datasets, analyze complex board positions, and make strategic decisions similar to human experts. Example 2, OpenAI's GPT-3, is another impressive example. GPT-3 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3 and is a language model that can generate coherent and contextually relevant text based on a given prompt. It can perform tasks like answering questions, composing essays, creating conversational agents, and even writing code snippets. GPT-3's ability to understand and generate human-like text showcases advancements in natural language processing and demonstrates its potential in various domains. Example 3, Autonomous Vehicles. The development of autonomous vehicles represents another area where general AI-like capabilities are being pursued. Companies like Waymo, Tesla, and Uber are creating self-driving cars that can navigate complex environments, interpret traffic signals, understand pedestrian behavior, and make real-time decisions. Autonomous vehicles require a combination of computer vision, sensor fusion, machine learning, and reasoning to operate effectively, to achieve human-like driving abilities. Example 4, Virtual Assistants. Virtual assistants such as Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, Google Assistant, and Microsoft's Cortana have become ubiquitous in our daily lives. While they fall under the category of narrow AI, they demonstrate impressive language understanding and contextual reasoning. 5. The future of general AI. Advancements in neural networks. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that is inspired by the human brain. Neural networks have been used to achieve impressive results in a variety of tasks, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. As neural networks continue to improve, they could become a key component of general AI. Advancements in quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that is based on the principles of quantum mechanics. Quantum computers have the potential to solve problems that are intractable for classical computers. If quantum computers are able to be scaled up, they could be used to create general AI that is far more powerful than anything that is currently possible. Advancements in brain-computer interfaces. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are devices that allow humans to control computers with their thoughts. BCIs are still in their early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way that humans interact with computers. If BCIs are able to be developed further, they could be used to create general AI that is able to understand and reason like a human. Advancements in natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human, natural, languages. NLP has made significant progress in recent years, and it is now possible to create systems that can understand and generate human language in a surprisingly natural way. As NLP continues to improve, it could become a key component of general AI. Conclusion, and there you have it. We've explored the fascinating world of general artificial intelligence, from its definition and capabilities to the challenges and real-world applications. Remember, AI is a powerful tool that holds immense potential for our society. By understanding it and fostering responsible development, we can unlock its full benefits. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Till then, take care and bye-bye.